now, Oboli Nintendo Nabo, UK burger. If you not start to ban a UK through go everything in Nigeria, and the butchery. That Umotu ferry, I cannot say daddy. Hallelujah. Obulado. Even as boy in the south, good morning in the south. I've been at UK, she good afternoon. I've been in Nigeria, she good evening, daddy. Welcome for you. Welcome, even Panalobu, UK material keep an daddy. I'm not really. So what I go do 3-0 on Oblo. I've been a leg, even a leg of Bomano. Hey, daddy,
you are making noise. Hey, say, calm down. You making noise. I don't like it. If you make this noise in Manchester, where I'm residing, they will get you arrested. I swear to God. I will swear to God. You make noise. Calm down. You need to change. Come. Let me tell you something. I need to upgrade you. Hey, you know, I need to upgrade you. You making noise. I don't like it.
That's what we do for Nigeria.
I don't like it.
That's what we do for you.
I don't like it.
I welcome, daddy.
You stressing me.
I welcoming you, daddy.
You stressing me.
Good morning, na UK.
I'm living here for you.
I'm living.
I like this girl. This is my spec.
Hey.
I like this girl.
Daddy Taulo.
This is my spec.
Daddy Taulo.
I can spend £1 million on her. What? Hey, get me the girl. Get me the girl.
Mbati. Come on. I'm too sure. What Blake? No Blake. I'm not going to.
Okay, you need to make.
I'm not okay.
Okay, you.
I'm saying, Biana.
Who is your guy?
Ewo for coffee. Come on, come on. What do you also?
You met to my cousin. I met to my cousin and change your name. Go ahead,
Ewo for coffee. I'm still like.
Hey, guy, calm down. Calm down. You don't talk to a beautiful girl like this. You gotta be a gentleman.
And I feel you on now.
Calm down. This is a pretty lady. You gotta calm down and talk to her. That's how we do it in UK. Yeah, she come beside. Fine girl. Let me introduce myself to you. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Yeah. Let me introduce myself. My name is Onye Obodo from UK, from London. So let me tell you something. I just came back to Nigeria last week from London, and I was sitting here with my guy, chilling and relaxed. Now I saw this pretty damn sad. What a pretty girl doing here in Nigeria. Nigeria don't feed it. Let me tell you the truth. Nigeria don't feed it. I want to take you back to London, where I reside, My guys are over there, So just give me time. I'll be your boyfriend, you'll be my girlfriend. Like Romeo and Juliet, we roll, How that things are done. So what do you have to say? What you gonna say? Any?
It's nice, your boy.
I say I'm from London.
Hey.
That's why I want to tell you something.
You are from You could eat one up. You feel like I'm a quaddy.
This Primark. You know Primark?
What's Adam?
This is £2,000, baby. £2,000. Oh my God.
I keep like that, Maggie. I got one credit. Just the good just no name it. If you're not big, you get it to you, gal. Never from that. Yeah,
Daddy. Ewo for coffee, Ndamwa ovo.
I don't want to be harsh. Let me start off fresh. I don't want to be harsh,
If you want to be harsh, what's happening? It's not my business, Oga. Don't even try to touch me again.
You know those. Cholu, I'm not going to get a million. Cholu, I'm not going to go. I want to go and put in UK before. I want to go and the whole village, the community. You fancy UK? It's every month the Maluma. If I'm in the UK, I'm going to want to jump on the emergency unit. If you are going to turn up, you'll be the first. Call you say about work. I'm 1 year 130 feet below sea level. You know, so can be done. See about Prona, can buy the film. You know, so you go, you don't want to be before. See, you now, I want to go for this show, you want to not your brother status, you know. Oh, can be done. See, let me taste tea and compose. So, like I'm saying, I'm from London. To call the whole story short, I want me and you, Romeo and Juliet, mommy and daddy. You girlfriend me, I boyfriend you.
You scratch my back, I scratch your back.
Yeah, baby.
Only if I go again.
What's God say? Yeah or no? Yeah or no?
Hey or what?
Yeah or no?
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Yeah.
Louder.
Yeah.
Louder.
Yeah.
Louder. He said, yeah, baby. He said, yeah, baby. He said, yeah, baby. That's my new girlfriend. Baby, let's go. That's my new boyfriend. Maintain no. Maki Bugula need that one. Hey, you gotta go UK. You never know you now. Madam, now bounce. Now bounce. Now bounce. Now go to UK so. Yeah, baby.